Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here to do a quick video about the Govee RGBIC smart wall sconces. And I just got done getting them set up. I'm actually in the process here of creating a whole YouTube background home office, so excuse the mess. But I just got these installed. I wanted to do a quick review. They really weren't that bad to install. Let's kind of come in down here, come close to them. As you can see, when it comes in here, there's a little bracket here where the sconce itself actually clips into. So basically this is a separate piece, and there's one screw up here, one screw on the bottom, and then this is actually made with a clip. Let me see if I can get this. If I get this off here. Yeah, there we go. All right. So as you can see, that goes there, screw, and that all goes in there. And then on the back, you've also got where everything plugs in. Basically it's a clip. They give you the length of wire with a clip. It's already pre-cut. And then again, this is just here, basically comes in here. Let me see if I can do this on camera. Line it up. Let's see if I can do it. Hold on, because I gotta run this through the. Give me 1 second. All right, I had to clip that one off camera, but basically you kind of get the idea of how that works. After that, on the end, you get your. They actually give you a control here that you can either mount on the wall. They give you some 3M tape here, and then they also give you a long cord. Obviously, I didn't need it, being that the plug I'm using is right over here. I mean, I might figure this out. I might use that later. But for now, this is off camera, and all the stuff there is going to be on camera, so I'm not really concerned about the cords coming out of the wall. But basically, we've got the power turned on, and it is RGB, so it can be any any color that you want, and you can change the brightness, you can change the color. But these are also Amazon Smart App controlled, so you can say things like, "Hey Alexa, make the office sconces red." And then she listens, and you can do whatever you want to do. You can program these, add these to a routine, do something that is, again, something that's hooked up to your Amazon device, and this will help you out. It's a really good purchase. I think they look good. The way that they wash the wall is pretty good. Let me kind of step back over to here. As you'll see, you kind of get this nice little up lighting. I have one behind the bookcase, so the bookcase glows behind me. But overall, well-built product, easy to set up, and I think you'll enjoy it as well. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.